Adi,
Yeah?
you know when people tell things like, you know, the view is so good, it's like nothing you've ever seen.
Yeah?
And then, well, it's just nothing.
There is, the view is so good, it's just nothing.
Nothing, that's it, yeah.
It's, Hey guys, so we're on our way to the Euro Cup viewing. So we have here, which country are you supporting in today's game? Netherlands. So she's supporting Netherlands. It's Netherlands versus Poland. I'm a big supporter of Netherlands. I'm a big supporter of Netherlands. Do you have any predictions for what the score is going to be?
I think it's gonna be 2-1.
2-1 Netherlands winning.
Of course.
Okay, even me. Even I have a feeling I've actually placed bets on Netherlands winning 50 euros. So let's see how this goes. Sonika, it's 1-1. Who do you think is going to win right now?
Nederland.
Can you tell something for all the Netherlands fans watching this vlog?
Ik weet niet wat ik moet zeggen, maar we gaan zeker winnen. Ik voel het gewoon.
Yes, guys, do it. Very close, very close. Let's go! Oh, all the sad faces. Everyone is so sad. Okay, guys, we're here after we won the game. How do you feel? Your prediction came exactly right. 2-1, you won. And now we found a Polish restaurant over there. So she's going to go over there and ask for free food. You know, it'll be so fucking fun. Sharath is over here. Sharath, how are you feeling? You're in a prime location of Frankfurt.
Feels like I'm back in India after.
I feel no, bro. I feel. So today we're going to the famous restaurant, Sarvana Bhavan. Do you guys know the story behind Sarvana Bhavan and the killing he's done?
No.
The owner of Sarvana Bhavan is actually a murderer.
I am craving for Indian food from 10 years.
South Indian food, so.
Yeah, typical. I want to eat pongal, dosa, vada, all of that. Authentic. The menu is Indian.
The world's
feel-
thinnest menu.
Yeah, like the file and then.
I feel this is a very special, expensive paper because it's thinner than 2 microns. Lesser than 2 microns.
NASA engineer.
This is thicker. The tissue paper is way thicker. So Vamshi walked into this restaurant telling he wants to eat some authentic South Indian food. Can you explain what he just bought?
Paneer Mysore chili cheese dosa.
And mushroom. So he authentic South Indian. And it's the goddamn pizza in there.
Bro, we accidentally ran into Akhilesh Yadav, bro. Like, look at that.
You look exactly like Akhilesh Yadav, bro.
No, Akhilesh Yadav,
Akhilesh.
bro.
Corporate wants you to find the difference between these two people.
Copy my homework, but don't make it obvious.
So me and CK have been discussing that India doesn't really have too many good basketball players. All we need is Gaurav with his 6 feet 4 inches and the other red shirt girl over there to make it, bro, prime LeBron and Steph Curry. Just go strong, just go. Show your riz, bro, tall riz.
Soon after.
What happened? She gave you the number? Yeah. You having those kids?
Yeah.
Damn, let's go. India NBA 2020.
It's illegal to marry anyone before the age of 21 in India, and Adi is just promoting that everyone please go report him to your nearest police station and make sure he doesn't get extradited from this country and gets punished where he belongs to get punished.
Rohan, where do you want to go now?
Right now I just want to go to this Loyal World Market.
What do you want to buy? It's a food place, right?
I want to buy loyalty from one of the girls.
You want to get a girlfriend here? So if you get a girlfriend here, you think they'll be loyal. So that's why.
100%. At least they'll not be from the UP.
Yes. Oh, hey, there'll be Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come, go get your girlfriend now. I give up. You know?
You give up,
When Rohan does it, it's so funny for us. But standing right there, it's nerve-wracking. Crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So, Ankun.